I've been exploring the Happier Meditation mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Happier Meditation is a mindfulness app aimed at people who want guided, down-to-earth meditation to manage stress, anxiety, and sleep without needing any prior experience. Its style feels friendly and approachable, especially if you like practical, real-life guidance rather than abstract teachings. Core features include over 500 guided meditations, structured courses, and personalized plans that help you build a routine around specific goals like sleeping better or reducing everyday stress. These sessions are led by experienced teachers, and the app emphasizes imperfect practice, which can feel reassuring if you're new or inconsistent. The high overall rating and Editor's Choice badge suggest most users find the content engaging and helpful over the long term. However, it's not without flaws. Full access sits behind a subscription, so people looking for completely free support may feel limited after the trial. Some users mention the usual app world issues over time, such as occasional bugs or needing to manage auto-renewal settings carefully. Because the library is so large, a few people may also find it slightly overwhelming at first, even though there are personalized plans to guide you. Overall, if you value thoughtful, teacher-led meditation content and don't mind paying for a subscription after trying it out, Happier Meditation is a solid choice. It seems especially well-suited to beginners and busy adults who appreciate relatable teaching and structured courses, as long as you are comfortable with the cost and the need to explore a bit to find your favorite sessions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.